This is the sun. Even though it's 93 million miles away, it's still the most powerful source of light on our planet. As humans, we've adapted to its light. It defines our sleep patterns, enhances our color perceptions, and improves our spirit. Studies show that buildings with abundant natural light improve student test scores, shorten patient recovery times, and boost retail sales. In offices, sunlight has been shown to increase employee productivity, improve office atmosphere, and decrease rates of absenteeism. And best of all, natural light is free. So naturally, windows have become larger and larger in order to bring more light in. But larger windows invite more direct sunlight, which can be intense and uncomfortable. As a result, occupants often close blinds, blocking out daylight. Additionally, most of the natural light is limited to the perimeter of the building. So, how do we get more natural light into the building? The solution is 3M daylight redirecting film, a simple, effective daylighting solution which comfortably brings natural light deeper into the building. Here's how it works. Daylight redirecting film is installed in the upper portion of the window. The film is made up of microstructured prisms, which optically redirect over 80% of the daylight upwards toward the ceiling. The daylight is then diffused to more evenly distribute the light and increase comfort. The film allows natural light to comfortably penetrate deeper into the building, even when the vision glass blinds are closed. The results are dramatic. In a clear window, the low-angle sunlight streams in, causing discomfort, which leads to closed blinds and ultimately lower levels of natural light. 3M daylight redirecting film increases occupant comfort and brings the natural light deeper into the building. Reducing artificial light results in increased energy savings. Compared to existing light reflecting strategies, 3M daylight redirecting film is easily integrated into new or existing windows. It requires no extra hardware or infrastructure, and no additional maintenance or special cleaning. It works at all times of the day, even when the sun is at a low angle. Plus, it's more cost-effective than many existing daylighting solutions. We know every building is different. Many factors affect daylighting performance, such as building design, time of day and year, location, weather, and orientation. 3M daylight redirecting film can be modeled and evaluated using software, so you can determine how it will perform for your project. 3M daylight redirecting film. Naturally brighten your day.